Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Flodesk to build an email marketing campaign. In this video, we'll walk you through every step of creating an effective email marketing campaign using Flodesk. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you navigate the platform and utilize its features to reach your marketing goals. Flodesk is a powerful email marketing tool that allows you to create beautiful, high-converting email campaigns with ease. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface and advanced design capabilities, making it a popular choice among marketers and small business owners. Today, we'll focus on how to set up automated workflows, design stunning emails, and manage your audience effectively. Before we dive into the tutorial, it's important to understand the basics of email marketing and why automation is crucial. Automated workflows save you time by sending pre-designed emails to your subscribers based on specific triggers. This ensures that your audience receives timely and relevant content, enhancing their engagement with your brand. First, let's log into Flodesk. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up for the Flodesk account using the link in the description. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, you'll see several options, including creating a new email, setting up a workflow, and managing your audience. For this tutorial, we'll start by setting up a new workflow. Click on the Workflows tab in the main menu. This is where you can create and manage your automated email sequences. To start a new workflow, click on the Create Workflow button. You'll be given the option to use a pre-made template or start from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll start from scratch to give you a comprehensive understanding of the process. Give your workflow a name. Let's call it Welcome Series. The first step in any workflow is setting up a trigger. A trigger is an event that initiates the workflow. Common triggers include a new subscriber joining your email list or a specific action taken by a subscriber, such as clicking a link in an email. For our Welcome series, we'll set the trigger to when someone subscribes to a segment. Next, select the segment that will trigger the workflow. Segments are groups of subscribers categorized based on specific criteria. If you haven't created any segments yet, you'll need to do that first. Go to the Audience tab, then click on Segments. Here, you can create a new segment by clicking the Create Segment button. Type in the email of your subscriber, first name and last name, and name your segment something relevant like New Subscribers, and save it. Once your segment is created, go back to your workflow setup and select your new segment as the trigger. Now, whenever someone subscribes to this segment, the workflow will begin. After setting the trigger, it's time to add the first action. Click on the plus button to add a new step. You'll see several options. Send email, time delay, condition, and action. For our Welcome series, we'll start by sending an email. Click on Send Email. You can either use an existing email template or create a new one. Let's create a new email to welcome our subscribers. Click on Create New Email, and you'll be taken to the email design interface. Flodesk offers a variety of beautiful templates to choose from, or you can start with a blank canvas. Choose a template that fits your brand's style and start customizing it. Add your logo, images, and text to make it personalized. For a welcome email, you might want to include a friendly greeting, a brief introduction to your brand, and any important information or links you want your new subscribers to see. You can also change to mobile view to make sure that your page looks good on other devices. Once you're happy with your design, click Save. After you've set your subject line and preview text, click Save. Your email is now ready to be added to the workflow. You'll see it appear in the workflow editor. Next, we need to add a time delay before sending the next email in the sequence. Click the plus button again and select Time Delay. Time delays allow you to space out your emails so subscribers don't receive them all at once. For a Welcome series, a common time delay is a few days between emails. Set the time delay to 3 days, then click Save. Now, let's add another email to the workflow. Click the plus button, select Send Email, and either create a new email or use an existing template. For the second email in a welcome series, you might want to provide more detailed information about your brand, share some testimonials, or offer a special discount for new subscribers. Repeat the process of designing the email, adding a subject line and preview text, and saving it. You'll now have 2 emails in your workflow with a 3-day delay between them. You can continue adding as many steps as needed to complete your workflow. Some common steps in a welcome series include introducing your team, showcasing popular products or services, and inviting subscribers to follow you on social media. In addition to sending emails and setting time delays, you can also add conditions to your workflow. Conditions allow you to customize the path subscribers take based on their actions. For example, you can send a different email to subscribers who open your first email versus those who don't. To add a condition, click the plus button and select Condition. Choose the criteria for the condition, such as Subscriber Opened Email. Then, set the actions for both Yes and No paths. For the Yes path, you might want to send a follow-up email with more information. For the No path, you could send a reminder email or simply end the workflow. Finally, you can add actions to your workflow. Actions can include adding subscribers to a different segment, removing them from a segment, or updating their subscriber profile. This can be useful for organizing your audience and ensuring they receive relevant content based on their interactions with your emails. Once you've set up your workflow with all the necessary steps, review everything to make sure it's correct. Then, click Publish to activate the workflow. Your welcome series is now live, and new subscribers will start receiving your automated emails. To monitor the performance of your workflow, go to the Analytics tab. Here, you can see metrics such as open rates, click rates, and overall engagement for each email in the workflow. Use this data to make informed decisions and optimize your email marketing strategy. In addition to workflows, Flodesk offers a range of features to enhance your email marketing efforts. You can create and customize sign-up forms to capture new subscribers, design beautiful emails with their drag-and-drop editor, and segment your audience for targeted messaging. To create a sign-up form, go to the Forms tab and click Create Form. Choose from a variety of form types, including pop-ups, inline forms, and full-page forms. Customize the design to match your brand and set up the form to add new subscribers to your desired segment. Flodesk's email editor is intuitive and easy to use. You can add blocks for text, images, buttons, and more, and customize each element to fit your brand style. Save your designs as templates to reuse them in future campaigns. Another powerful feature of Flodesk is its integration capabilities. Connect Flodesk with other tools you use, such as your e-commerce platform or CRM, to streamline your workflow and automate tasks. This ensures that your subscriber data is always up to date and helps you create more personalized marketing campaigns. In conclusion, Flodesk is a versatile and user-friendly tool for building effective email marketing campaigns. By setting up automated workflows, designing beautiful emails, and managing your audience efficiently, you can engage your subscribers and achieve your marketing goals. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Flodesk for free. See you in the next video.